Okay. Come right here. And toast. I think it says 2 minutes 45 seconds and darkness 4. Let's see how this does. These toasts smell pretty good. It is fogging in the inside and it's done. I don't know if I should wait a little bit for it to cool down. Ooh, smoking. Okay. And they are done. So one on this side, it looked like it didn't really cook all the way. That one looks okay. Same with these ones. Maybe it's because they were too close to the, yeah, it's kind of burned in the back and not fully cooked in the front. And then the last one, oh wow, this one is pretty burned in the back and it's perfect on top. The way that I like my toast, I like everything to look like this. Not, to me, that is too burnt. I will try to adjust the setting and see how it looks. Another thing is, I think I was supposed to put the other tray here beneath this one, and I didn't. So I'm not sure if that's the problem, why it looked like that. So this time I adjusted the temperature to 3 and I put the black basket under it, and this time is telling me it's 2 minutes 7. Let's see how this bread looks. Okay, let's see if there's any difference now. This time I only put 2. Now I feel like it didn't cook all the way. Doesn't seem like it's as good as a toaster. But yeah, so this is at 3. That is at 4. 3. This is 4. I'm not sure.